Good day, everyone. My name is Deanne, Iris, and Lorenzo from BET1B, and my topic for today is about HTML, or the Hypertext Markup Language. HTML, the Hypertext Markup Language, is a language made up of elements in which can be applied to pieces of text to give them different meaning in a document and embed content such as images and videos in a page. It is a markup language that defines the structure of your content. HTML uses markup to annotate text, images, and other content for display in a web browser. HTML markup includes special elements, which is a part of a web page that includes an opening tag with some attributes, enclosed text content, and a closing tag. HTML versions. The following is a list of HTML versions and the years they were created. Several iterations of each version have been released over time. This list aims to focus on significant iterations. HTML 1.0, released in 1992, had very limited capability and around 20 elements. HTML 2.0, released in 1995, began to incorporate elements relating to math functions. HTML 3.2, released in 1996, dropped the math function initiative altogether and fixed overlap between various proprietary extensions. HTML 4.0, released in 1997, offered three variations which differed in the number of deprecated elements that were allowed. HTML 4.01, released in 1999, largely the same as 4.0. HTML5, released in 2014, came after a long break in updates because the organization that developed it, the W3C, was focusing on another parallel language called XHTML. HTML 5.1, released in 2016, aimed to more easily accommodate various types of media embedding with new tags. HTML 5.2, released in 2017, aimed to be equally understandable by humans and computers. And HTML 5.3, yet to be released. W3C is collaborating with WHATWG on a new version. Elements is a part of a web page that includes an opening tag with some attributes, includes text content, and a closing tag. The main parts of our element are as follows. Number 1. The opening tag. This consists of the name of the element wrapped in opening and closing angled brackets. This states where the element begins or starts to take effect. In this case, where the paragraph begins. Number 2. The closing tag. This is the same as the opening tag, except that it includes a forward slash before the element name. This states where the element ends, in this case where the paragraph ends. Failing to add a closing tag is one of the standard beginner errors and can lead to strange results. Number 3. The content. This is the content of the element, which in this case is just text. Number 4. The element. The opening tag, the closing tag, and the content together comprise the element. Elements can also have attributes that look like the following. Attributes contain extra information about the element that you don't want to appear in the actual content. Here, class is the attribute name and editor. Note is the attribute value. Attributes that set a value always have: number 1, a space between and the element name. Number 2, the attribute name followed by an equal sign. And number 3, the attribute value wrapped by opening and closing quotation marks. And that's all for my topic about HTML, or the Hypertext Markup Language. Thank you for watching.